Hi, this is Dr. Pan, host of Tucson Math Doc channel on YouTube. We have an interesting expression to simplify here. This one is not particularly hard, but it's messy. So what I tell my students, when you take this one on an exam, do yourself a favor in that write slow. Okay, slow is actually a fast way to do math. I know it sounds oxymoron almost, but it does work. So all I have to do down here is I just took one more step. I wrote it down what I'm trying to do here, and then I'm going to do simplify after I write it down. Okay, so it's minus x squared here, minus xy, and then I have another x squared y here. Okay, this one cancels out very nicely. Have x plus y. Let's clean up a little bit. Okay. So from here, all I did is I multiplied everything by x plus y because on the denominator I don't have anything there other than a 1. So x plus y plus 1, and then x cubed. This should be x. It is x cubed plus xy, and then minus x squared minus xy. Because this parenthesis here, but it's a minus sign, so I have to change sign. Minus x squared y, and this cancels out, so I have x cubed minus x squared minus xy, everything divided by x plus y. Okay, it's not that it's hard, but it's tedious, and if you slow down, that will help a lot. Have a confident day.